Today we're going to be looking at a problem that involves proportional reasoning. And for today's lesson, we are going to illustrate this problem using a table of values. So let's begin. Today's question says that Adriana works at a veterinarian's office. She needs to give a dose of medicine to a 22-kilogram dog. The recommended dosage for a dog that weighs 12 kilograms is 30 milliliters. Determine the dosage Adriana should give to the 22-kilogram dog if the rate remains the same. Show your work. Today we're going to organize this information into a table. So first we need to figure out what are the two quantities that need to be put into this table. Well, what are the units? What are we dealing with? We're looking at kilograms and milliliters. So let's use that for the headings in our table. Kilograms and milliliters. Now we need to represent the data into our table. Let's start by using the data that they give us in this question. We are told that a 12-kilogram dog needs 30 milliliters of medicine. So let's put 12 under kilograms and 30 under milliliters. We also know that the weight of the dog that's being brought to the vet is 22 kilograms, so I'm going to put the number 22 under kilograms, and I don't know how much medicine that dog needs, so this is what we need to find. Do you think there's other data that you could represent in this table? What if I said that the dog weighed 0 kilograms? That means the dog's non-existent. How much medicine would it need? That's right, 0. There's some more information we can add. Now, since this relationship is proportional, we know that the values must increase by the same amount every time. Right now, we have the numbers 0, 12, and 22, but that's not increasing by the same amount. So let's think about what number we can skip count by. Well, 12 is an even number, and 22 is an even number. So I know that 2 would be a factor of both of these numbers. What if we count by 2's? So we can start at 0 and count by 2's all the way up to 22, since that's the weight of the dog that we need to find the dosage for. Don't forget to fill in the information that we already know. We know that a 0-kilogram dog needs 0 milliliters, and we know that a 12-kilogram dog needs 30 milliliters. We need to find how many milliliters a 22-kilogram dog needs. So let's figure out how we can fill in this table. Well, let's start with the information that we know. Well, for every 12-kilogram dog, we need to use 30 milliliters of medicine. That means we have a rate of 30 milliliters for every 12 kilograms. But in order to fill in the first part of our table, we need to know how many milliliters for a 2-kilogram dog. What if we were to start by figuring out how many milliliters a 1-kilogram dog needs? In other words, finding the unit rate. Well, if we know the rate is 30 out of 12, what's 30 divided by 12? That gives us 2.5. That means that you need 2.5 milliliters for every 1-kilogram dog. But our table's counting by 2's. So what would you do to find how many milliliters for a 2-kilogram dog? That's right, if it's 2.5 milliliters for a 1-kilogram dog, add another kilogram means you add another 2.5 milliliters. So what's 2.5 plus 2.5? 5. So for a 2-kilogram dog, we need 5 milliliters. Well, if we keep counting by 2's, every 2 kilograms, we need another 5 milliliters. So what are we going to do to the right column of this table? That's right, we're going to count by 5's. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It worked all the way up to 12 kilograms. So let's keep going. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And there we go. We just found that for a 22-kilogram dog, we need 55 milliliters. Therefore, Adriana needs 55 milliliters of medicine for this 22 kilogram dog. Look at all the information you can gather from this table. How much medicine does she need for a 16 kilogram dog? That would be 40 milliliters. What if the dog was 8 kilograms? How much medicine does she need? That's right, 20 milliliters. What if I asked you to find how much medicine she needs for a 30 kilogram dog or a 40 kilogram dog? Think about how far you could extend this table. Now remember, this was just one way of solving this problem. Check out our playlist to see all the different ways that you could have solved this very same question. Can you think of another way you could have solved this? Try it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the other playlists on proportional reasoning.